Okay, first your pupils would have done their sketch, just a small one like this. Okay, so you can see this is an example of my sketch. Okay, two different designs. Your pupils can do about 3 or more. If they don't have time, probably 2 would be fine. Okay, so based on what they have sketched, you're going to choose one design which they like to transfer over to the mask over here. Okay, so for me, I would like to start off with this. Okay, I'm going to use this sketch for my mask. This is slightly easier. Okay, so referring to my sketch, okay, I will start to draw. Okay, use a 2B pencil and just draw. Start from the lips here. Usually the Chinese opera mask would have a circular shape for the bottom part. Okay, like that. Which is actually this part here. Okay, now I'm going to draw the other part, these two. Make sure it's symmetrical. Okay, now I'm going to darken it. Okay, so I've got the shape here. So this part is done. I'm moving on to the upper part of the face. So first I would like to draw this, okay, and this. Alright. I draw it lightly first before I decide to darken it. Okay, so this part and this part. Okay, so now I'm going to finish up the top. Okay, so I'm going to darken this now. Okay, alright. Now I'm done with this. I'm going to add a few more layers inside, wavy lines. Okay, 1 and 2. wavy lines, one here and two. Okay. Okay, then now I'm going to draw the second one just now. Okay, over here. Alright, just like a simple shape like that. Okay. Alright, done. So try your best to make sure that it is as symmetrical as possible. So the main lines are already out here. This is one of the most simpler designs for your pupils. Okay, and usually the Chinese opera mask, they will also have something in the middle here like this. Okay, like this. And some done by our previous year student, 2011 students. Okay, symbols like this. Alright. Okay, like that. So I'm just going to do something very simple. Just like something like triangular shape. Like an arrow. Okay, I think I would like to have it simple like that. Alright, so that's all for your sketching of the outline. So once the sketch is there, it should be very fast for the pupils to draw it over the mask. This took me 8 minutes, so probably the pupils would take about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to paint the Chinese opera mask. But before that, your pupils would have went home and did their homework, which is to use a color pencil and plan the colors that they would use for their mask. So this is 1 and this is 2. Okay, the ones that we're going to color today will be this. Alright. So once I have this planned out, it's very easy for the pupils to also decide on what color they should need on their palette. So for me, today, here are the 4 colors that I need. Red, black, white, yellow. Alright, that's it. We are going to color the main color first, which is red. Okay, so this part, all this other part here, red. Now I'm going to use the white paint to paint over the white areas, because you can still see some pencil markings and all that, so we want to get rid of that by painting it over the white areas. I use a smaller brush because there's some small areas here. Okay, the last step we're going to do is to use a very fine brush, okay, as fine as you can, and we're going to make thick outlines, okay, on the mask, okay, very thick outlines.